Have you noticed how quiet things have been lately, especially from DJI? No flashy leaks, no blurry factory photos, no sudden spec dumps lighting up your feed. And that silence is not random. In today's video, we are breaking down why DJI is staying unusually quiet right now, what that means for the Pocket 4 and the Avata 360, and why this calm period might actually be the biggest signal yet that something important is coming. So, what do we know right now? Honestly, not much. And that is exactly the point. Normally, this is the stage where filings start to appear. Supply chain chatter heats up, or at least one reliable tipster drops a breadcrumb. Instead, everything feels locked down. When information dries up this completely, it usually means one of two things. Either nothing is happening, or everything is happening behind closed doors. Historically, DJI goes quiet when products move out of the experimental phase and into internal testing and production alignment. That is when leaks stop being accidental and start being expensive mistakes. The last credible rumor around the Pocket lineup was not about specs at all, it was about timing, and that timing tells a much bigger story. The Pocket 4 appears to be shaping up as a two-model lineup, a standard Pocket 4 and a Pocket 4 Pro. That actually explains why older leaks felt slightly inconsistent. Some mentioned extra controls, others talked about a slimmer body or different feature priorities. They were likely describing two different cameras in the same family. The standard Pocket 4 is expected to stay compact and creator-friendly, while the Pro model is rumored to target power users with expanded controls and higher performance. According to the latest chatter, the Pocket 4 could land around January 2026, with the Pro version following several months later. That staggered release feels intentional, not rushed. Now here is the part that cannot be ignored. DJI is operating under increasing regulatory pressure, especially in the United States. FCC approvals, policy scrutiny, and broader trade tensions do not just affect drones. They affect every connected product DJI ships. That means launch strategies are no longer simple global rollouts. Regional releases, delayed availability, or quieter launches are all on the table. This helps explain why DJI appears more cautious than usual. Silence is sometimes the safest move when uncertainty is external, not technical. Let's talk about the Avata 360 because its silence has raised eyebrows. No new leaks does not mean the project is dead. In fact, it usually means the opposite. Once DJI moves past prototype validation and into internal refinement, information tends to dry up fast. This is the same pattern seen with previous major releases. The Avata 360 is already rumored to have cleared key certification steps, which suggests it is no longer theoretical. While exact timing remains speculation, January has been floated as a possible window. Even if delays happen, the trajectory suggests this product is very much alive. Here is where the bigger picture comes into focus. DJI is not silent because it has nothing to say. It is silent because it is aligning multiple moving parts at once. Product readiness, regulatory navigation, and market timing all have to line up. Rushing information would only complicate that. For creators waiting on the Pocket 4 or FPV pilots curious about Avata 360, this lull can feel frustrating. But historically, this is the phase right before things start moving fast. When the next solid piece of information drops, it tends to come with weight, not speculation. So what is the takeaway? DJI is quiet for a reason. The Pocket 4 lineup looks increasingly structured and intentional. The Avata 360 appears to be past the rumor stage and into preparation. And external pressure is clearly shaping how and when DJI communicates. The calm does not mean nothing is coming. It means something important is being protected until it is ready. If you are waiting, stay patient. And when that next real update lands, you will know immediately. Drop your thoughts in the comments, let me know which product you are watching most closely, and if this breakdown helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you do not miss what comes next.